Abangan ng mga kabayan natin sa mangyayari ngayon bukas at sa business.
With the Phil Nation Limited, so the organization that Filipinos, all of the leaders, and ating mga kabayan, and sana magkita-kita po tayo dyan. So very, very much excited as well.
Ano po yung pakiramdam ng yung ginagawa nyo ganito? Do you think na magbigay kayo ng mas maraming inspiration sa mga kabataan na talagang
we're very happy we're invited to share my knowledge here and hopefully inspire a lot of people. Sana we can bridge the gap para mas madami pa mas maka-enjoy ng volleyball at
do you have any future event na gusto mong imbitahan yung mga kababayan at especially na nasa may mga dapat pa kami abangan? Ikaw ba ay from sa nangyari dito sa'yo may plano ka ba ng pasok sa show?
Actually, ako daw mag-DJ ko. Wala ka na daw magtrabaho. Pero hindi, well, our season will start again this coming October. We're going to be out to support the Green Line Post Nationals. And aside from that, I have there are mga podcasts as well. So I hope you guys can listen to my podcast and such. What else?
Ikaw na, binabati ko yung sa so, bali, mamaya po meron gaganapin na fishing tournament. Second fishing tournament which is Philippine Qatar. Ganapin po sa Sakuya Island. Ito po'y inano ng mga Pilipino, kondisyon ng mga Pilipino na sa iba't ibang lugar na maabot kami ng sandaan. So, mamaya na yun. Starting ng 7 o'clock until the morning.
Tapos yung announcement ng mga winners kailan sir?
I-announce pa yun. After the tournament.
So mamaya yun namin pero yung announcement is awarding ay to be announced. Maraming salamat Captain.
Pero wala